Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to customize taskbar in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. First we have to go to settings, then in display options we are looking for taskbar. Taskbar is here. What taskbar can do for us? Here is a little explanation, but we are interested in show recent apps right here. So we can choose to show up to 4 apps, even recent apps in our little taskbar here. And we can see if it works. For example, let's open our clock, back out, and as you can see, our taskbar remembers our recent application. So that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.